For my spring dish, I'm going to do a dough piazza of leek, dressing it with a raw onion salad, brown butter onion puree, and then for the future 50 ingredient, I'm using watercress, and I've done this in 3 different ways. What I'm going to do is just char grill that straight onto the stove, and this is going to give it a really nice smoky flavour. And I just want to get a really nice caramelisation on that, and then we're going to finish that in the oven just to soften it up. This is a little white onion puree, which I've cooked down with some Indian spices, caramelised it, a tiny little bit of cream. This is going to be almost like the curry sauce elements to the dish. I've picked the watercress leaves down, and the stalks, I've chopped them down and I've pickled them and made a watercress yoghurt to go with the leek, so there's been no waste. Then the leek that we charred grilled off earlier, I'm just going to give that a little brush of oil, season it with a tiny bit of cumin, which we toasted earlier and just ground down. I've pickled some mustard seeds there, which we're just going to add along the leek. We've got our little curry onion puree. And then with dough piazza, it means double onion. So I've just got a little bit of raw onion, and that just adds a little bit of texture as well. I've just picked down the tender stems of the watercress, and this is highlighting spring. So loads of greens, some little wild garlic flowers, and the last element, some tiny little sea aster leaves. And these just add like a little saltiness. A little bit of watercress oil. So that's my dough piazza of leek with mustard and cress.